The administration of the Assab region called on local inhabitants to mount community-based participation in all development programs. The meeting he conducted with the inhabitants of various administrative areas. Mr. Gergis Girmay, the regional administrator, commended the initiative they took in renovating the road from Eri to respective villages. He further said the regional administration is ready to encourage such popular initiatives. The first phase of the campaign, which has already been accomplished, covers renovation of the road between Eri and Hadish Adi, and the second phase would extend the road to renovation out to Barona. Mr. Gergis also called on the local inhabitants to build roads from the main road being renovated to their respective villages. Mr. Tasfai Nagasi, chairman of development committee in the villages of Ansaba Lamachelli area, said the natives residing inside the country and abroad donated 660,000 nakfa for the implementation of the task, noting that 24-hour electricity supply, potable water supply and educational facilities up to high school level, health institutions and a reliable basis for irrigation farming have been laid. The participants expressed readiness to make careful use of them.